This looks like there's little small cracks in the wood that you can see the brass through. Kind of tempted to do a coat of CA glue just to make sure those cracks stay together, but I've never done that before, so I'm kind of nervous. I think I might go ahead and just give it a try anyway, but I don't know if I need to sand it down first or not. I'm gonna go ahead and do some CA glue just to, because I'm nervous about the wood cracking apart. I guess that's how you do that. I don't know. Let it dry for a minute and then I'll start sanding. Hopefully that glue got down inside those cracks. It'll help keep it together. If I'm doing something wrong, please let me know in the comments so that I know what to do better, different next time. That's 150, and then I'll go to 240, then 320, then 400, and I'll finish up on 600. Alright, it's super smooth. Got it down to 600 grit. Luckily the cracks did not break open, and I don't even really see the brass anymore. I guess maybe the glue filled it in. But I'm going to use some Doctor's Woodshop Pins Plus, which is a mixture of filtered walnut oil, shellac, denatured alcohol, and wax. So I'm gonna do like 4 coats, I guess. Looks great. I think it came out looking good. So I'm gonna put it in the pin kit now. It's a little nerve-wracking there. I was checking the tip. Looks like it comes out about the right amount. So now I should just be able to join it together. Well, I forgot the little spacer. I'll be right back. I think it looks pretty good.